Let's say you are doing some project and you are the captain, you are the driver, you are doing everything. So your project is growing, going up, and everything is a wave in the world. It goes up, goes down. So you're going up. You have energy, you have good congenial circumstances. Then something happens. The project starts to go down, and you are somehow unable to drive it up, and you're going down. So at that moment, it's just like Rajaguna state. Oh, I'm going to, rule this galaxy. You're going high. Then you're going down. Oh, I'm so wretched. I'm so unlucky. I'm so unsuccessful. I have no qualities. So this going. I'm great. I am nothing. I'm great. I'm nothing. There is this wave.